Diamond Plastics began consulting with the A&B Irrigation District and the NRCS, Natural Resources Conservation Service, in 2014 to provide information and assistance on the design specifications and installation of a 94,516-foot pipeline. The NRCS and A&B have over time used hundreds of thousands of feet of PVC pipe and elected to use it for this project due to its performance and their positive experiences. The project includes 15,642 feet of 48-inch and 54-inch, as well as 22,894 feet of 30, 36, and 42-inch PVC pipe. The remaining 55,980 feet is made up of 10-inch through 27-inch. The pressure rating of the pipes ranges from DR51, 80 psi, to DR32.5, 125 psi. The A&B Irrigation District was established in 1966 in Rupert, Idaho, and delivers water to 82,600 irrigated acres of sugar beets, barley, alfalfa, and potatoes in southern Idaho. It is served by two major water sources: surface water from the Snake River and groundwater from the Eastern Snake Plain Aquifer. It is unique to Idaho in that all the water it delivers is pumped. Since the early 1990s, the district began experiencing declines in the water table to the aquifer. To remedy the declines, A&B has installed a second pumping plant and associated pipelines to reduce aquifer withdrawals and directly inject Snake River water back into the aquifer. This project cost approximately $11 million. The Idaho NRCS handled the design and specifications for the pipeline. The total length of the pipeline, including all sub-feeder lines off the main line, is approximately 19 miles. It extends 8 miles north of the newly constructed Snake River Pump Station. The pump station will contain 6 500 horsepower and 2 250 horsepower short-coupled turbines that will deliver water at the rate of 118 cubic feet per second. The pump station provides approximately 170 feet of lift. The pipeline begins with 54-inch DR32.5 at the pump station and progressively reduces to 10-inch. This project allows the district to abandon 8 miles of earthen canals, which saves approximately 1,200 acre-feet of water and $40,000 in operations and management costs annually. The pipeline installation had to be completed on a very short time frame, from the end of November 2015 through the end of March, in an attempt to deliver water for the spring 2016 planting. The pipe portion of the project was bid in early July 2015, and pipe began arriving to 2 separate storage yards in early August. Diamond Plastics delivered all 94,516 feet of this pipe within 2 months. The large diameter yard was located adjacent to the pumping plant along the Snake River. The smaller diameter yard was located several miles north of the river. The district rented the equipment they needed and received approximately 324 truckloads of pipe. They wanted all pipe on site prior to a contractor being selected. Knife River was the winning bidder on the construction contract. They started the project with 4 to 5 crews working 6 and 7 days a week in temperatures as low as -5 degrees Fahrenheit. They began the project in November by preparing the pipeline alignments, 100-foot right-of-way, and stringing the pipe along the construction route. As you can see, thousands of feet of pipe strung out is pretty impressive. This allowed the crews to move quickly once installation started. Native material in this part of Idaho is primarily loam, generally ranging from silty to sandy loam. The NRCS worked with the A&B Irrigation District to come up with an embedment material which could be obtained from their own source of granular material. The material they chose is an ASTM C33 No. 57 material. This is a well-graded granular material with 100% passing a 1 1/2 inch sieve and 0 to 5% passing a No. 8 sieve. This would allow ease of compaction and solid support for the pipeline. The native material makes for fairly easy digging. The embedment material was compacted in 2 lifts below the larger pipe with a vibratory compactor. Then a bed shaper attached to the bucket is used to create a contour in the trench, which closely approximates the shape of the pipe. This provides more uniform support in the haunch zone. The embedment material was placed to a depth of 6 to 12 inches above the pipe, with native material being placed from there to ground level. It was compacted with a vibratory compactor along the sides. Depth for bury of the line falls between 6 and 10 feet. The longer 22-foot lengths of gasketed pipe are easy to assemble, requiring no special tools or training. The relative light weight of PVC allows for the use of smaller equipment. And with no coatings or linings, the homogeneous wall will provide the A&B Irrigation District a pipeline free of corrosion and the associated costs of its ongoing maintenance, resulting in a truly sustainable and environmentally friendly system. This project will provide needed additional water for the farmers served by the A&B Irrigation District. And because it is diamond plastic PVC, it will provide reliable service for over 100 years. It was a pleasure working with the folks at A&B Irrigation, the NRCS, and Knife River to assist in the design, specification, and construction of this valuable infrastructure project. Diamond Plastics is ready to assist you with the development of your project as well.